Penske Truck Rental Honest Review and User Experience. Moving truck cost, booking and real pros and cons. Moving can be stressful, but renting a truck from Penske makes it easier. I recently used Penske for a local move, and here's my honest review. Most people assume all rental trucks are the same, but the surprising truth is Penske stands out for flexible booking, well-maintained vehicles and helpful add-ons like moving equipment and insurance. Booking was simple. I reserved a 16-foot truck online, chose a pickup time, and added insurance coverage. The website clearly shows rates, and pricing transparency helped avoid surprises. The rental included basic moving supplies, which is a bonus. Driving the truck was smooth. Penske vehicles are well maintained, with clear instructions and safety features. Return was hassle-free, with multiple drop-off locations and helpful staff. Costs are reasonable but vary based on truck size, mileage, and insurance. Fuel costs are extra, and late returns can incur fees. Planning ahead ensures the best rates. The downside? Some locations can be busy during peak moving season, requiring early booking. Insurance and additional fees can add up if not carefully reviewed. In conclusion, Penske Truck Rental offers reliable trucks, transparent pricing, and strong customer support. For anyone moving locally or long distance, Penske provides a stress-reducing experience with well-maintained vehicles. Careful planning maximizes value and convenience.